Hello everyone, welcome back to Evito Quesadat. I am back with my next page and the next word. So for the letter B, I've picked barrel and kept my definition because that's one thing that I want to keep. I want to keep the word and definition and the page somehow integrated into my art. And this is the actual piece that I worked on. So I call her the Emerald Lady, but she lives inside of a geode. Is that how you say it in English? Geode? So I've created all of that background. Well, first I worked on her on a separate cardstock. I just used some gel medium and glued that page onto a cardstock and worked on her. And then I took all of that tissue paper and I stamped it with different like animal prints just to get some texture on it. And then I sprayed some of the Primacolor blooms all over. And then I crunched it up again and started placing them all the way around the page. And I've also added clusters of beads from the ones that Marla just sent. So thanks again. But I also went into my stash and I don't know if you can tell, but those are like emerald color bling. Can you tell they're there? Okay, better night now. So I've used a whole set of emerald colored bling to insert it inside some of the clusters. Can you see it shine there in some of the places? But they're inside of the clusters. And I also made a necklace for her. And she's done with acrylic paints and then some Lumiere paint and Bombay inks. And yeah, so I've used a whole combination of different mediums to create her. And then the beads are part of the clusters all around. And once I was done with all of that, I added some of the pearl paint by Martha Stewart and some some glitter paint. It's actually this one here. Let me see if I can. It's this glitter paint that I had in my stash because a friend sent it a while back for me to try, and I use it every so often. But that's how I've incorporated that. I'm also working on my lettering and my journaling, like trying out to write my words. So practicing that too, faces too. So it's like a triple challenge. It's like a face. I create the girl. I use the word to be inspired for the page, and I'm working on the dictionary pages too. And then I'm creating my mixed media pieces on my art journal, and that's the page that's facing it. So I just gessoed that and just incorporated a whole bunch of different paints on it just to give it a match so it wouldn't be like stark white. But that's basically it. This is the mess that's on my table right now from all the things that I used. I still haven't cleaned it up, and that's why I'm filming right now, because I'm about to start on my next one. And I've picked my word for the letter C. So I hope you can come back and check out the video where I'll be sharing whatever I create for the letter C. And hopefully some of you will be inspired to find some words randomly on your dictionaries and be inspired by them in order to create and make yourself use your old things and your new things and create something, I don't know, fresh every day. So I'll be back whenever I get done with my next page. I'm not even going to tell you what the word is, but so far I am already selecting. I took the dictionary and I took like maybe 5 words that I liked and I like their meaning, not just because of the word, but it's the word and the way you can write it, and then what inspires me to create with it, and then have something fun or meaningful with that word so that I can be inspired to create. So besitos to all. Thanks so much for your visits again. Hope you're enjoying this series, and I'll just keep having fun here and see what else I can come up with to show you guys. Okay, take care. Besitos. Bye-bye.